Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we'll show you step-by-step how to download and install MediaTek USB VCOM drivers on your Windows computer. Let's get started! Step 1. Understanding MediaTek USB VCOM drivers. Explain what MediaTek USB VCOM drivers are and why they are necessary. Mention compatibility with MediaTek devices like smartphones and tablets. Step 2. Preparing your system. Check your Windows version compatibility, e.g. Windows 10, 8, 7. Disable driver signature enforcement if needed. Mention how to do it briefly. Step 3. Downloading MediaTek USB VCOM drivers. Go to the official MediaTek website or trusted sources. Demonstrate how to navigate to the drivers section. Show downloading the appropriate driver version for your Windows OS. Step 4. Installing MediaTek USB VCOM drivers. Open the downloaded file, zip or exe. Extract the contents to a convenient location on your PC. Run the setup file, provide a walkthrough of the installation process. Step 5. Verifying driver installation. Connect your MediaTek device via USB cable. Show how to check if the drivers are installed correctly in Device Manager. Troubleshoot common issues like unrecognized devices. And that's it. We've covered how to download and install MediaTek USB VCOM drivers on Windows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.